On this holiday weekend, all along the Connecticut coastline, people have been closely watching the weather and what Hermine might do to their Labor Day plans, especially in one of Connecticut's most notable tourist hotspots, the Mystic Seaport.
News 8's Bob Wilson shows us why Mystic actually has a rough weather advantage.
Right now, the flags are swirling. Boats have double lines on them as they're tied to the dock. They're not sure exactly when or how much Hermine will bring, but here in Mystic Seaport, they're not taking any chances. As Hermine glances off Connecticut and spins out to sea, people are keeping a close eye on the storm track as they head to the Mystic Seaport for the three-day weekend.
I'm worried about it a little bit. I mean, we heard that, the hurricane was making its way up here, but it turned out to be a gorgeous day.
The Seaport removing all the flags and pennants at the end of the day as they take no chances. They've been ramping up precautions after a beautiful two-day start to the Labor Day weekend. They say they are ready for the high winds and potential storm surge as Hermine comes within striking range.
So we secure everything that could fly around. We are expecting high winds. We added extra dock lines, extra fenders, which are the bouncy things that keep the boats off the dock, and we moved some of our floating docks around to account for storm surge. And those are the key things we've done so far.
Well, and this is one ship you might recognize, the Amistad. It's not part of the Seaport here or the exhibit. However, the Mystic Seaport was gracious enough to let them come in here and dock up through the storm because they say they're a protective shelter, especially when it comes to tropical storms and hurricanes.
I have one advantage here that we're up the Mystic River, so we're actually a pretty good hurricane shelter. So for us, storm surge and then high winds are the two key things that we have to worry about. But yes, we watch storms from the minute they are a depression off Africa and track them.
The Seaport does plan to be open tomorrow all day, and they're ready for rain or wind or whatever else Hermine decides to do.
Our philosophy is we'd much rather be safe than sorry. So we overplan, overprepared, and that's a great situation for us to be in. So we're still keeping our fingers crossed that this misses us and we have an easy day tomorrow.
At the Seaport, they say this is a good drill to get ready for a giant hurricane that could come up as this kicks off hurricane season. We're in Mystic. Bob Wilson, News 8.